Howdy, y'all. Howdy, y'all. Alright, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a try-on haul. I have some stuff, you know, that's what this video is all about, am I right? Am I right? I've been having like cravings where I kind of just want to shop sometimes. I just go to some stores by myself and I just buy stuff. So, you know, I guess that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today, is the stuff that I've just been buying on a limb. Yeah, so if you're not already subscribed, I mean, yeah, you should do that. Yeah, so subscribe, like this video, because why not, and comment down below, because why not, you know. So we're gonna get into it. I'm gonna get started, and yeah. No, I actually really want this off. Like, it's kind of choking me out. So, like, get off. I tried to be cute. I tried to wear jewelry like a freaking YouTuber, you know, looking all good and stuff. But, like, I can't. I can't, okay? Alright, so we're gonna get started. The first item of clothing that I'm gonna be showing you is what I have on right now. Take a look. We got a little bit of ketchup and mustard going on with a hint of like black soul. This is like really great. Normally I don't like the colors red and yellow together because I'm like, that's literally Ronald McDonald, like please get away. But I don't know, I kind of can I stop touching my hair? Like, okay, first of all, no. I don't know, I kind of liked the look of it. It's just like really cute and really like cute. So that's the first item. I got this from Forever 21 literally yesterday because I have a problem. Also, I got another two things yesterday from Forever 21 because literally you'll tell by this. No, we're not doing this today. I have a problem when it comes to Forever 21. That's literally the only place I go to get my clothes just because their stuff fits me really good. They have like a bajillion options and I have a credit card there, so I'm like, I think I might. Alright, so the first thing that I got yesterday, or second thing that I got yesterday, is just these plain black shorts. Yeah, they're really cute. They're high-waisted, you know, just plain black, no holes or anything of that nature. Literally, they had so many cute shorts, but they didn't have my size in, like, any of them, so, oh. I'm feeling a little bit, you know, discriminated against, so we should probably fix that, Forever 21. Thank you. And then the last thing I got from Forever 21 yesterday was this pair of shorts. These pairs of someone please. This pair of shorts right here. And if you can't tell, yellow's kind of been my color preference this month, maybe last month too, this year. I don't know. I just really like the color yellow. I don't wear a lot of color, but for some reason the color yellow is just not too much for me. I actually really, really like it on me, so yeah. So I got this pair of shorts. It's just this yellow, you know, and they fit really cute. Alright, and the next thing is also, the next everything is from Forever 21. I got this from the clearance section of Forever 21. For some reason, this particular day, I was feeling really into sheer clothing. I don't know why. Literally, that's all I got on this day. All from the clearance section. This was only $7, so that's a really good deal. But, like, I have not worn this yet, and I've had it for a few months. I don't know. I just haven't worn it. It kind of, now that I bought it and I'm looking at it, it kind of looks a little bit of medieval. I think it's cute. It could be cute, but like all of the ruffly stuff that's going on, I don't know, maybe I'll wear it. We'll see. We'll see. But like $7 was a good deal, so I bought it and I was just like really into that for some reason that day, so I don't know. And then I also got the exact same thing in black because like I said, I was having a problem that day. I believe this one was probably also $7. So it's just like, it's really sheer, but it's really cute actually on. I like the black one better than that one, but I haven't worn it yet. I have to find a way to wear this. you know, sometimes you just buy stuff and you don't know why, but you did, and you can't go back on it, okay? I'll wear it. The next thing I got, guys, clearly, this one's actually pretty cute. It has these ruffly sleeve-and-majiggies, this one actually came with like a tank top that went underneath, but like, no, that's not gonna work. This is actually an extra large, okay? This is an extra large. In what world? Okay, when is this an extra large? But I really like the sheer sparkliness that was going on here. I don't know why. I was like really into like sheer stuff that day. I don't know. Alright, and yet another sheer thing because, you know, problem. This one's actually really, really cute. It's got like the little, I don't know what that means, but you know what I mean. It is a little bit sheer. Actually, it's a lot sheer. It's just not as sheer, see-through. It's not as see-through as the other ones, and I liked this color. It's like a nice dark lavender. Okay, so the next thing I got from Forever 21, also, this is not from the clearance section. I got this shirt a few weeks ago. They had like sort of an 80s 90s vibe going on in the store, which was I loved. It was so cute. The stuff was so freaking cute. And if you haven't gone to Forever 21, like if you don't go frequently, you don't know this, but if you do go frequently, they change their stuff out very often. Like their themes are constantly changing. They constantly have new stuff going in and coming out, or coming in and going out. That's right, that's the one. So a lot of this stuff they don't have in store anymore, but they probably still have online. So this is the shirt. I really loved the yellow. I actually got this shirt specifically to go with a pair of shorts I'm going to show you next. I just really liked this shirt. I was born in 1998, so I'm kind of a 90s baby. I mean, I am technically, but like at the very end of 1990s. So it still works, right? It still works, right? It works. It works. So I just really liked the colors. I thought it was pretty simple, but it was really cute. It's a crop top, but it's not too cropped to where like my boob's about to like plop out the bottom, you know? It covers, you know, my midsection, which is pretty swift. So I really liked this a lot, and I got it to go with these shorts. Yes! When I saw these, I literally fell in love with them. I love the print. It was so cute. They had so many different pairs of shorts at that time with this print, like a million different pairs of shorts with this print. But I just really love the fit of these. They're super high-waisted, and I got this shirt specifically to go with them because it has the black and white. They're really cute together. I'll actually show you in the try-on. But it has the black and white, but it also has a pop of color, which I really liked. So these were a really, really good pick. If the only thing I would change about them is these ruffle pockets. I don't really know why they did this, but I mean, it's fine. And is this the last thing from Forever 21? It is. Okay, so the last thing that I got from Forever 21 is yet another yellow thing. Oh my gosh, someone loves yellow. Someone's a little much. But I just got this plain yellow, like, flowy top. It's pretty soft, and it smells bad, but you know. Yeah, I really liked this. It's just really simple. You can wear it down or you can tie it up. I've worn it with these shorts or just my plain black shorts. So the next item I actually got from G by Guess. I know that they're not like all the rage anymore, but when I was younger, like what grade? Like a grade in elementary school, Guess, or even in high school, like the freshman, sophomore year in high school, Guess was like all the rage. If you were wearing Guess clothes, like you were hot shiz. I'm not saying Guess clothes aren't nice, they are high quality, but they're just not like, if I'm being honest, a lot of these name brands like Victoria's Secret, Guess, Aeropostale, Hollister, Abercrombie, like those all kind of fell off just because people don't really care anymore. Like we're buying freaking no brand Forever 21 stuff that's cheap because they're super cute and they're affordable, and that's just kind of it. But on the other hand, like people are raving about like Gucci and Versace and just like all that stuff, which I really don't give a shiznit about. But yeah, I still got this because I believe it was only $9, so why the freak not, and I liked it a lot. It is just this crop top, and it's gray with like a little bit of like a green stripe and a black stripe, which I thought was an interesting color choice. And I liked this like, what do you call this? I don't know what you call this, but it kind of like goes over the other side. It looks like it's a lot more of a v-neck than well, actually it is a pretty deep v-neck, but you really can't see anything, especially since I'm flat-chested, so it's fine. You'll see it in the try-on, but it's just a simple little crop top that looks cute with black shorts or jean shorts or anything of that nature, so I really like this. And the last two clothing items I have are from Fashion Nova, I believe. Now, I'm sure everybody and their mother and their brother and father and cousin and uncle and grandparents have heard about Fashion Nova. I have not really dived into the Fashion Nova, like, thing. Everyone's raving about it, buying stuff from it, but to be honest, their prices aren't that great. There was some stuff that was pretty inexpensive, but like, I'm very cheap. But I did stop in on the website just to see if they had any tube tops, because I've been wanting a tube top and I cannot find any good ones anywhere. So I just stopped in there to see what they had, and I found two that I really liked, so I got them. The first one is just this black one. Yeah, it has like ruffles on the top and on the bottom. It's actually really, really cute on. I did really like this. It was really simple, and I don't think this one was expensive, honestly. I don't think either of these were. The only annoying thing is paying for shipping. That is the most aggravating thing. That's why I don't shop online. I don't understand why it doesn't bother anybody else, but like, paying for shipping literally irks me so bad that I just don't shop online. So the last thing I got from Fashion Nova was another tube top, and it is just this black and white striped one. I just really like the look of this. If you know anything about me, I love stripes. So this is it. This is what I wanted. So I got it, and it's cute. So you'll see it in the try-on, you know. So that's it for the clothing. I know I didn't go crazy. I'm pretty happy about it. Proud of myself that I wasn't out of control. Yeah, so the next three things are just shoes, and then I'm gonna get out of your hair because I don't really want to sit here because my back's hurting. So the first pair of shoes that I got are just these Nikes. It's funny because even to this day, people still call them Nikes. Like, if you call them Nikes, let me go ahead and correct you there. They are called Nikes, okay? If you didn't know, I do work at Nike. Just, I have to say that. So, yeah, but I actually really like these shoes. They are just these blue, slide-on Van style type of shoe. I got these because I have to wear Nikes to work, obviously, and I really just wanted like a just like a casual slip-on shoe, and I didn't have any at the time, so I got these, and I really like the color. I think they're really cute and fashionable. You know me, fashion forward. They're freaking disgusting and dirty, but you know, me. The next pair of shoes are these Van. Plain black slip-on, your basic Van shoe. I've been wanting these for literally my entire life, but I haven't gotten them, and then my boyfriend got me them for my birthday, so I was very happy about that. They literally go with everything. They go with everything, and I think that if you were looking for like a staple shoe that you can wear with literally anything that you own, these are it. You know, you can wear them with a dress, you can wear them with shorts, with the skirt, with jeans, with leggings, whatever whatever you can think of, you can wear these with them. And the last thing in this haul is just one last pair of shoes, and I got these from TJ Maxx, I think. I got these from TJ Maxx. They are just another yellow item. What's surprising? These are just these cute yellow sandals. Is that what you would describe these as? Sandals? I liked them because they had yellow. If I'm being honest, that's literally it. I was looking for a shoe with yellow so I could wear them with my yellow. Now, it is a different shade of yellow than I have in like anything, but you know, whatever, we don't care over here. Alright guys, so that finishes off this try-on haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and got some sort of entertainment out of it, because I did. That was it. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back. If you don't, then it was nice seeing you this time around. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some chips or something and go on about my day. So, I hope you do the same. Have a good one. See you later. Get the freak off my page. Thanks. Okay, bye.